Hello, welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to use the product installation tracking on Job Tracker. This tracking process will allow you to be able to have on-the-field updates sent back to the office quickly so progress can always be documented. One of the key features to keep in mind since we are starting with our MeasureScore project data, we know our quantities for each room for our project, making tracking a breeze. To get started, locate your plan to start adding your tasks. Then tap on your rooms that you will be installing product into. You will notice that when you tap on your different rooms, your information will appear on the right side of the screen. You will also see what products and quantities have been applied to the MeasureScore takeoff as well. To make a task, we will tap on the plus sign in the top right, then tap on Product Installation to create our task pin. This will bring you to a new pop-up window where you can start filling out your task information. You can adjust your status, assign to a task group such as Final Install Phase 1, include your start and due date, as well as assign different workers to watch the progress of the installation to make sure things are moving according to schedule. At the bottom of this pop-up menu, you have the option to add any photos as well as a description. The ability to add photos to your tasks will also help as a timestamp as progress is made on jobs. Once everything is set, you can select Done in the top right. Now you will be brought to the Plan View page and your task details will be on the right side. All of the products that have been applied to the MeasureScore takeoff can be tapped on to adjust the different completion rates based on the quarterly percentages. You can also adjust any information that is needed if any project updates may appear, such as due dates, or even update who is assigned to this task. Once the tasks have been completed, you can select Mark as Done in the top right of your screen. You can also select multiple rooms at once by selecting the Products tab at the bottom right of your window. From this window, you can tap on your product that you want to create a task for, which will show you all rooms the product is applied to. This will allow you to quickly generate and apply tasks to save you time to move forward to the next task. When you select Done, you will receive pins in all of the areas all at once, which will help you save from time from tapping into individual regions to all those markers. You can also access this option via tasks. Tap on Task and select a room to view the task detail for individual rooms. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureScore products.